Hello everyone, and welcome to Mr. Tutorials. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my guides. Have you ever clicked on a YouTube video because of a catchy title or thumbnail expecting a quick answer, only to realize the video is 30 minutes long, and when you finish it, you think, that answer could have been explained in just 2 minutes? Or maybe you're studying a subject and you need information from multiple videos, but you just don't have the time to watch them all. That's the problem I'll solve for you today. Let me show you a tool called YouTube Transcript. It's available at youtube-transcript.io. I will leave you the link in the description below. This website gives you the entire transcript of any YouTube video, and the best part is, it can even summarize it for you. Let's take an example. Let's go to YouTube and search for the channel Style Theory and take their latest video. The title is, What Makes Pedro Pascal So Hot? It's almost 20 minutes long. All we need to do is copy the video link and paste it into YouTube Transcript. The website may ask to read your clipboard so it can paste automatically for you. And right away, it shows the entire transcript of the video. Now here's the magic part. Click on Summarize Transcript. It will ask you for the language, the type of summary, and the length. Super handy, right? I won't click it this time because I already did it for you. Here's the result. The physical attractiveness of Pedro Pascal. The non-physical factors, personality and values, the emotional and psychological connection. And finally, a conclusion at the end. Pretty sharp, right? From there, you can copy the summary, download it, or even delete it. If you click on the profile icon in the bottom left corner, you can see that you get 25 credits per month on the free plan. That means you can summarize 25 videos without even creating an account. If you want more, you can create an account and check their paid plans. Now, one quick reminder, if you're watching YouTube for entertainment, or if you really want to support your favorite creators, it's always better to watch the full video. That way they get the views and watch time that keep their channel alive. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And leave me a comment if you'd like me to cover other tools or tricks. I'm Mr. Tutorials, and remember, keep it sharp.